Okay, so I am going to do the modification where you make it go faster by turning the little secret area below the base here. So here's her standard speed. Okay, and I'm going to flip them over. There's a little switch right there. I'm going to take the screwdriver and just turn it. Hang on, let me get a screwdriver here. It's be really simple. You just turn it more. So I'm just going to turn it just slightly. Actually, we're going to crank it up all the way. See how fast we can make her go. Okay, so it's been turned. So let's see. This might make her go really fast. So let's see how it looks. Crap. Face is wiggling. Wow, that is really fast. Okay, so I guess if you turn to the right, I guess it makes it go faster, but what about its slowest setting? Just slowing it down all the way. Alright, slow down. Let's see how slow she can go. Really cool, actually. I wonder which other Halloween decorations that I have might have it. Let's try turning it to the middle. Let's try that. It's a really cool, interesting.
Would you like a trick or a treat?
It's too fast. But I want to thank Gemmy Master Animatronics for this one. For this cool trick. So I've always wanted to customize these guys. Let's try that. There you go, that should be just the right speed. So yeah, I wanted to thank Gemmy Master Animatronics for discovering this, and I watched the video and I said no way, but tried it for myself and it actually works. It's pretty cool. So thanks for showing us that cool trick.